And today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with GramFree. As you can see, this is 1 gram GramFree price is $2.01. So I have about 42 grams here, and you can earn grams you roll in every minute. You roll. I've already rolled, that is why it's counting for me. And also, this is, you earn grams with watching videos. You watch videos and sign smart contracts. This day you do this every day, daily text, then you can now get 500 grams. So when it's up to 500 grams, you can withdraw, and 500 grams is a thousand and some fraction dollars, and it's very huge. No money needed. It's just for you to sign up and start doing your daily tasks on grams. Then you earn as much as you want on GramFree.